Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Silvercrest 10,000 mAh power bank mobile charger for smartphones, tablets, camera, etc. USB-A, USB-C, micro USB, smart fast charge technology to optimize the charging time, lithium polymer technology, no memory effect, low self-discharge, constant high performance, efficient and environmentally friendly. 3 years warranty from Lidl. Some specs from the other side. Now let's open it to see what we have inside. And there we are. Nice package. We can see the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. Okay, here's the power bank. Oh, nice leather here. Metallic finish, like blue color. You can buy it to another 3 colors if I remember correct. It's nice, and we've got of course the Type-C cable inside. Type-C cable that it goes to Type-C from micro USB to Type-C. That is very convenient, very nice. Not so long, it is about 20 centimeters. Of course, you can use your own cable to charge your smartphone, that it will be more convenient. That cable, you can use it to charge the power bank, maybe. Well, as you want, it's your choice. Well, into the power bank, let's see. We've got input micro USB 5 volt 2 amps, input Type-C is 5 volt 3 amps. Output Type-C is 5 volt 3 amps and output Type-A is 5 volt 2 amps. Total output we have 3 amps max. It is 10,000 milliamps, 37 watt hours. And you can see here output Type-C in and out and micro USB input. We've got the on-off switch that has 4 LED indicators that shows you how much power it has inside. And of course I'm going to charge my Galaxy S9 Plus to see how long it will take to charge it. Very friendly to your hand material. And this leather, it has his own touch to the whole power bank. Well, first I will charge my power bank to fully. I will use the Type-C connection, and here we are. We can see the lights are blinking and it's charging. Well, here we are guys. It took about 5 hours to charge the power bank from 0% to 100%, and let's charge my Galaxy S9 Plus from 2% it is now, to see how long it will take to goes to fully charge. And as you can see, it's 2%. We can see 4 LED dots that is fully charged the power bank. This says in 2 hours and 60 minutes until fully charged. Now it is in 3%. Well, we are going to find out if it's true or not. Okay guys, here we are after 2 hours of 35 minutes. We can see it is in 100%. It has 2 LED dots on, and I have charged it from Type-C to Type-C, Type-C out to Type-C into my smartphone. Well, what do you think? It cost about 70 euros, and I think it's worth the money to charge your smartphone. Definitely it can charge it 2 times my Galaxy S9 Plus and another 50%, I can say. It's a good power bank, it will do the job. It is what you need into your everyday use, to travel, to vacation, camping, whatever you're doing. 100% green light. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.